Okay, back on dry land for the Mark III Harrier for the RAF. This also, as the Mark I Harrier model I showed in the previous video, is an example from the Falkland conflict back in 1982. The refueling probe was attached. I don't know if it was a standard use in service, but it definitely needed them down in the South Atlantic when they're flying around. Okay, what else do we need? Well, not flying around, they probably used that to get from Ascension Island down to the Falklands. I think they probably took it off when they arrived. There wouldn't really have been a superiority to have tankers. Well, perhaps there was. Anyway, I'm not going to go in. This isn't a history lesson of the Falklands War. I'm just waffling. I like the shade of green we got for the green. Sometimes the dark green of the old days can just be more like the bombs here in shade, but that's not really the right colour. So this is an Italeri kit. Main problem I've got with this one is that if you can see, the back of the cockpit isn't blocked up. See, the brush goes in. Now I don't know if that's an oversight or a part missing in the kit, but I can't remember there being any call for a back section of that cockpit, but other than that, yeah, it's a good kit. Does the job. I modelled the air brake closed this time. A lot of decals on here for the bombs, and as always with Harrier kits and any kit where you've got the ordnance on, you want to put the aircraft numbers on the wings before you put the pylons and the ordnance on. You can imagine how tricky it would be to get that decal on if you put that on first. I used Tamiya tape for the masking off the areas for the black and the silver on the sidewinders. And another good thing about this kit, the depth of the wheel wells. That's quite impressive compared to the usual shallow holes you get in old kits. But yeah, I think that's all I want to show you about that one. The Harrier GR3. I used to have a poster of this on the wall when I was a kid. Not that one, but of a GR3. Yeah, it's one of the famous photographs where it's coming at the angle like this over a beach and firing off rockets from the end of the wing. Right, that's that.